Welcome back, students. In our last session, we learned about noun. Today, we are going to continue our journey into the world of grammar by focusing on pronouns. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are pronouns? Well, pronouns are words that we use to replace nouns in a sentence. They help us avoid repetition and make our sentence more concise and clear. So let's jump right in and explore some common pronouns. First off, we have personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to the person speaking, the person spoken to, or the person, place, or thing being spoken about. Let me give you some examples. In the first person we have I, me, and my. For instance, I went to the park, or give me the book. In the second person we use pronouns like you and your. For example, you are doing a great job, or is this your bag? Lastly, in the third person we have pronouns such as he, she, it, they, him, her, and them. For instance, he is doctor, or they are having fun. Second, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples include mine, yours, hers, ours, and theirs. Let me provide you with some sentences to illustrate their usage. The blue pen is mine, or the red car is theirs. Moving on, we have reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self to the end of the personal pronouns. They reflect back to the subject of the sentence. Here are some examples. He hurt himself playing football, or she congratulated herself on a job well done. Another group of pronouns is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out or identify something specific. Examples include this, that, these, and those. Let's have a look at some sentences using demonstrative pronouns. This is my favorite movie, or those are delicious cupcakes. Lastly, we have indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. Some examples include everyone, something, anybody, and nothing. Let's see them in action. Everybody enjoyed the party. Well, that concludes our exploration of pronouns. Remember, pronouns are essential in order to avoid repetitive and awkward sentences. By using pronouns effectively, we can make our communication more efficient and clear. In our next session, we will delve further into the world of grammar as we explore verbs and their roles in constructing sentences.